Hello Disney friends, it's Mia and
Mickey.
welcome back to A Cinderella Wish. If you're new here, welcome to A Cinderella Wish. We're here today at Magic Kingdom. We haven't been here in over a month, so we're just going to stroll the park, go on a ride or two, and enjoy our time here. Are you ready? You are? Are you ready? Great, so let's get going.
On her trophy, I want to see her play. Take it to all the board every day. Take it to the lower half, the lower down, take it down, down, and live down.
I don't know if these Wishables are new, these Star Wars Wishables. They look new to me. And we have plenty of Muppet Wishables. There's Kermit. Ah! Who is that, Rick? That is Sam Eagle. Sam Eagle. And he is perfect for the 4th of July. It's a chaser. You got a chaser. You got the chaser. Yes, you did. Look at those eyebrows. Oh, neato. All right. You like them? Yeah. We're heading to the back of the store because we hear there are more items from the electrical parade. Wow. Let's see if that's true. Well, true it is. It's just that, let's see if it didn't sell out. I know that there's Loungefly, so if you guys are interested in purchasing any Loungefly, just come down to the Emporium. Oh, I found the Spirit jersey for the electrical parade. Here is the Spirit jersey. And there we have Mickey. And on the back, it's Disneyland Main Street Electrical 50th Anniversary Parade. And it has Elliot on the back. So cute. Let's see, how much is this? Ricky, how much is this jersey? Oh, it doesn't say. Sorry, you guys. Just doesn't say. Let's check out the other merchandise, though. Here are the ears, and they are a Loungefly. These are really super cute and really nice. I really like these. They are so nice. Oh, and here's the Loungefly up close for $75. Very, very nice. The colors are so pretty. Here is a blouse from the electrical parade. It is a sleeveless, and the bottom has a tie on it. I believe there may be nothing in the back, but let's check it. Yeah, no, there's nothing in the back. Let's see, how much is this? The shirt is $36.99. If you guys are wondering where there's electrical parade merchandise, it's Disney Springs at World of Disney, here at the Emporium on Main Street, and in that area of Dumbo, in their gift shop over there, they have some merchandise. They didn't have Wishables here, and I didn't see Elliot come in at all, which I was told that he is coming in. He's just not in yet. I know he's going to sell out quickly, so that's just going to be a luck of the draw. Anyway, we are on our way to Liberty Square because we're going to head into Frontierland. And that's where our adventure will begin. Okay, so the crowd levels here, they're not too bad. We are now in Liberty Square. Liberty Square is quite busy today, and it looks like as we transition into the Wild Wild West, it looks like it's busy in Frontierland as well. When we say busy, we mean a little busy. This is only going to get busier. It's not quite as busy as it is going to get. So we can say that this today is probably maybe medium for a crowd. Like, there are not tons and tons of people here, but it's kind of like medium, not low crowd and not high crowd. Just like little crowded areas in certain sections. There's those silly country bears. Hello! Hello, bears! Hey, Big Al! Frontierland is one of our favorite lands to explore. You have much to do here. You have your Tom Sawyer Island, and we haven't gone there in a long time, but what we like to do when we go over there is really we get into it and we pretend we're on this adventure, and we bring some food and snacks with us, and we head over there and we eat and we explore, and we're gonna do that, but we're not doing that today. So today we are gonna go on Splash Mountain. That's what we're heading to next. Here we go! First drop! I'm going to say it again. Disney World, do not take Splash Mountain out of here. It fits so well in Frontierland. We do need the Tiana ride, but keep that Disneyland. That's what I think. That's my opinion. We like Splash Mountain. Here in Frontierland, there's not many places to eat. Pecosville is one of the places to eat out here. If you like Mexican food, then that's your place. If not, you can head on over to Adventureland or Liberty Square for a variety of selections of food. We have a reservation for Big Thunder, but for now we're just gonna go get a Dole Whip. We're in line at Aloha Isle. Burning Flower is lined with vanilla, soft serve, and pineapple juice. I think we're gonna like it, but we already had the Tropical Serenade, and those are the two specials for the 50th. Okay, so here are what we ordered. Doesn't that look so good? What kind of juice is this?
It's called plug juice. It's a mixture of passion fruit, orange, and guava.
Oh, awesome. Thank you so much. So Ricky and I are ready for the wildest ride in the wilderness. Ahí parece que están comiendo. Continúa. Papá. No puedes. much fun. We had such a good time. Okay, Rick and I are gonna head in to see the country bears, right? Right, because we haven't seen them in a very long time. Actually, it's been a few years. So let's head on in and enjoy the show. Come along with us and we'll watch it together.
And a great big
How did you guys enjoy the show? We actually had a blast in there. It's a very short show, and we recommend you guys seeing this show. Did you guys think? Did you like it? Comment below. Let us know if you liked it. Here's a really cool t-shirt, Paging Mr. Morrow. Hey, I wonder if you've seen that t-shirt. You guys ever watch Paging Mr. Morrow? That's also one of Ricky's favorite YouTube vloggers. And so this would be so cool for him. That is a really cool shirt. Ricky got to meet Mr. Morrow, Paging Mr. Morrow. Nate is his name, but that is his YouTube channel. And here's the t-shirt that Ricky picked out. He had to have this. Right, Rick? Yeah. Let's post your picture with Nate right now. Look at that 50th pink balloon. Isn't that a beauty? Okay, magical friends, our time here has ended. I think we're done and we're ready to head home. Hope you liked this vlog and you enjoyed spending the time with us, because we enjoyed spending this day with you, this day back with you, right? Because we're back now. Anyway, again, if you did enjoy this video, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps us with our YouTube. Right, that's it. Show them, Ricky. It really helps us with our YouTube channel, and it's free. It doesn't cost anything. We'd love to welcome you if you're new to our Disney family. If you hit the subscribe button, you'll be part of our family. And if you hit the notification bell, you'll be reminded when we put out future videos. Again, it's all free. And if you'd like to leave us a comment below, we'll be happy. We'll be happy to reply to your comments. All right, everybody. Have a wonderful day, and we will see you.
We wish you.
Bye, everybody. Bye.